Top 5 Risks of Online Business. Cybersecurity Threats. Online businesses are vulnerable to various cyber threats, including hacking, data breaches, and malware attacks. Market saturation. Many online markets are saturated with competitors, making it challenging for new businesses to gain a foothold. Payment processing issues. Handling online payments can be complex, and issues such as fraudulent transactions, chargebacks, or payment gateway failures can impact your revenue and cash flow. Regulatory and legal challenges. Online businesses must comply with various laws and regulations, including data protection, e-commerce, and tax laws. Reputation damage. Negative reviews, customer complaints, or social media backlash can quickly tarnish your brand's reputation.